Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add group icon on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to add group icon on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp web and not sure how to add group icon on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to add group icon on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding a group icon on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will add a group icon on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your device, and now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And now first of all, open your group and then click on three dots in the right top corner. And now click on group info and now click on add group icon and then select upload photo. Now select your DP and click on open and your DP has been added successfully. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add group icon on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.